What's up everybody, safety is #1 priority. And for this experiment we're gonna need a beer. And you know, sometimes you don't have a can opener, so how can we open it? All you're gonna need is a piece of paper. Let's check out how we do it. So this is how we do it. We're gonna fold it a bunch of times. Maybe fold it this way. Doesn't really matter how you fold it, just have to fold it a bunch of times. So you got surface with a lot of, like, you know, folds like here and normal at here. So let's check it out how we do it at here. Gonna grab it down like that and open it. Pretty cool, huh? With a piece of paper. Yeah, pretty tasty. Let me know what do you think in comments below. Thumbs up this video if you do. And remember, safety first. You see, I cut myself in the last videos twice. Yeah, that's why my fingers all jigged up sometimes. Anyways, and check out my next experiments.